Welcome to DigiPath50 Introductory Course, Getting Started with Digital Confidence. This course is here to help you begin calmly. You do not need to know everything before you start. You do not need to be fast. You do not need to understand every word about technology. You only need to take one small step at a time. In this course, you will practice simple actions on your device. You will look at your phone, tablet or computer. You will recognize the screen. You will notice apps. You will try simple actions like tapping, clicking, scrolling, going back and returning to the home screen. These actions may look small, but they are important. They help you feel more in control. Let us use one simple example. Imagine you want to check the weather today. You take your phone, you look at the screen, you choose one app that can help you. This may be a weather app, or it may be a browser such as Chrome, Safari or Edge. You open it slowly. Then you search for simple words such as weather today. You look at what appears on the screen. You choose one result that looks clear. That is already a complete digital action. You had a need. You choose a tool. You opened it. You looked at the result. You checked if it helped you. This is how digital confidence begins. Not with doing everything, not with knowing every button, but with one useful action that you can repeat. In this course, you will also practice a simple habit. Pause before you click, share or send. This pause is not a sign that you are unsure or incapable. It is a good digital habit. For example, if a message tells you to click quickly, you pause. If a website asks you for personal information, you can pause. If you are about to send a message while feeling emotional, you can pause. A short pause helps you stay in control. The course will guide you through 5 simple lessons. First, you will recognize what a digital device is. Then, you will practice basic navigation. After that, you will look at apps as tools for different tasks. You will also try one simple internet search. At the end, you will create your own safe digital routine. The aim is not perfection. The aim is to feel a little more ready, a little more calm, a little more able to try. After this video, choose one small action. Use your own device. You can open one familiar app. You can return to the home screen. You can search for weather today, or you can simply look at 2 apps and name what they help you do. Then pause and ask yourself, what did I do? What happened on the screen? Did I stay in control? If you're using worksheet 1, write down your device, one app that you recognize, and one simple action you tried. That is enough for now. Start small. Move slowly. Pause when something feels unclear. Every small action you complete helps you build digital confidence.